Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we're going to talk about GeForce Now error code 0xC0080105. The error doesn't display a long message, but it appears when users try to launch a game. The game fails to start, and the GeForce Now application shows this error code. According to our research, the error happens because the GeForce Now app is unable to access the files needed to stream the game on your local system. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to update your graphics drivers and restart your system. Once done, try launching the game again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, right-click on the GeForce Now application and select Run as administrator. Then try launching the game again and see if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, try launching the game from play.geforcenow.com instead of the installed app and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, contact GeForce Now support and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.